may lose thousands of dollars and have not achieved desired success, but with a professional team like Candrew.com, you can have best results even with spend of $100. This is what exactly I suffered before I was having no clients and no business on my boutique-related online shopping site. I lost a year and a lot of money trying promotion tips, and this resulted in no success plus disappointment. Well, after hiring Candrew.com as my business promotion partner, I am enjoying customers' interest and sales queries with a sufficient business. Now I just focus on my production line, and my business is being promoted with results-oriented and successful advertising strategies by Candrew.com professionals team. I will highly recommend www.candrew.com for all kind of advertising and promotion, as well as web designing and development. Thank you. Bye bye.